You hear about hundreds of new startups coming up every day. But do you know, out of 100, only 6 or 7 see the third year? It is shocking, it is painful, and it hurts, isn't it? Now, as per the CB Insights study, the key reasons are assumption that the market has massive need for their products. Second reason is no sales and marketing system. And the third is there is internal disharmony. Now, how about having a simple and easy way which can help you to know, address and be prepared to overcome such challenges? What if such invaluable resource comes to you as a gift in next 5 minutes? Hi, my name is Rajneesh Jain and I'm the founder of Quorum Sales Consulting. We work with technology startups and growing companies and assist them in setting up the best sales practices, system and go-to-market strategies. I have also authored these books which were primarily written for the first-time entrepreneurs. In these last 3 years of working with these entrepreneurs, we have seen the real business challenges quite closely, and the biggest problem is that internet has become dumping ground of information and there is so much of misinformation out there. All sorts of information and hype around startups has created an illusion that it's very easy to start and run a business. But you know very well that there are no magic pills or overnight instant solution when it's about building strong business foundation. I'm happy and excited to gift you my latest book, Building a Blue Chip Startup. I'm aware that the startups are highly ambitious, want to grow fast, and founders are brilliant. Ideas are awesome, but most of them want to know the homework they must do before jump off the cliff. Most are keen to learn the questions which they should ask themselves and figure out the appropriate answer. And at any cost, they want to completely avoid those dangerous mistakes. And I'm sure you too. Now, which path would you want to follow? Complicated, confusing, or simple and effective? Here is a glimpse of what we have covered in this book. The first area is the mindset. Now, they say 90% of the results we produce depend on the desired mindset. Now, find it out for you. Second area is business proposition. Have you asked enough questions to validate your ideas and if it is good enough to bet your life upon? Third part is co-founders, chemistry and economics. Have you done enough brainstorming to define the roles, responsibilities and the reward and penalty system? Fourth area is your business skills. Use this section to analyze the areas where you must focus and invest time to strengthen. In the scenario simulation section, we have simulated various real challenging situations for you, so you figure out your action plan to overcome. Most of the entrepreneurs are taken by surprise and they don't know how to react. Remember, the only certainty in the business is uncertainty. In the last section, which is very critical for your business growth, is VC or investors zone. Now, whether you need a seeding or Series A funding, do you know those tough questions which you would face? Are you ready with the reasonable answers? When you are prepared, chances are you will get funding very soon. Congratulations to you in advance, as after finding answers to all these questions, you are already in the right direction of building a blue chip. There's no fluff, no imagination, no theory or hype or hypothetical situations. These are real questions and situations which sooner than later you are going to face anyways. Now, there is a word of warning. This book is only for men and women who are ready to stop looking for miracles and willing to take action. There are no press a button answers to succeeding in building rock solid profitable business. Nothing in this life is easy, and you know that, but this is as easy as it gets. Now, for instant access to everything, click on the red button that says, "Yes, please send me my copy now." You will have to just confirm your email ID, and within literally a few minutes, you will get the download link. You must remember, you have been dealing with the challenge of building your business to give a solid foundation for way too long. And the pain of continuing without taking action will only lead to more despair, more frustration. Yet, simply by choosing to download Building a Blue Chip Startup, everything can change for the better right away. Listen, there is only one person who is as passionate as you about building your dream. It's only you. This is limited offer, so press the red button that says, "Yes, please send me my copy now." And in few minutes, get access to Building a Blue Chip Startup today. Thank you for watching and best wishes to you. See you on the other side.